Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create a date field in Salesforce. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week, and let's jump into this video. All right, you're going to want to make sure you are in setup to do this, and you're going to go to the object manager. Now, whatever object you're wanting to add the date field to, you're going to select that. I'm going to select account. And on the left sides here, you're going to see field and relationships. Go ahead and click that, and we're going to hit new. Once this loads here, you're going to find the date data type that you're going to select, and then you're going to hit next. Now we can give this whatever label we would like, and I'm going to call this date field SF. And the field name is the API version of that. You can add a description or help text if you would like. And you could mark this field required, which means a value has to be in this field before you hit the save button. But we're going to leave that unchecked today. And I'm going to go ahead and add this field to existing custom report types that contain this entity. Now, there is a default value. You could use a formula like the today formula to input today's date, or like, as you can see here, today plus 7. It could be today's date plus 7 days to be the default value. That is really cool if you're always going to create a contact and you want it to be today's date for that date value for whatever reason, then that's a great resource to use. But we're going to leave it blank today, and we're going to go ahead and hit next. And this is where you select the field level security for the profiles. I'm just going to set this visible to all my profiles in my sandbox org, but this is where you could mark this, and you could mark it read only for certain profiles as well if you wanted to. Now we're going to hit next one more time. And this is where we're going to add it to our layouts. I'm just going to add it to all my layouts and hit save. Now remember, if you have a Lightning record page for your object, you will need to add that field to your Lightning record page if you want it to be visible. But in my sandbox, I do not have a Lightning record page. So we're going to go ahead to an account. And I'm just going to select the first one here and go to the details section. And if we look, there is the date field SF that we created. And if we hit the edit button, you can see the little calendar pops up there, and you can select whatever date you would like and hit save. And now, as you can see, we have the value in our new field. Leave this video a like if you found it useful. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.